Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone, and seeing a message from a client that simply says, "Thanks for everything. We've decided to use AI going forward." Just replaced. This isn't a movie scene. This is already happening quietly, globally, and faster than most people realize. Today's video isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to prepare you, because in 2026, AI won't just assist freelancers. Some tools will fully replace entire freelance roles. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, freelancers ruled the internet. Designers, writers, video editors, voice artists, customer support agents, all working remotely, all in high demand. Clients needed humans. Creativity felt human only. But then something changed. It arrived quietly, improving every single month. First, it helped freelancers work faster. Then, it started doing the work by itself. By 2026, many businesses won't ask, "Which freelancer should we hire?" They'll ask, "Which AI tool should we subscribe to?" Let's walk through the tools making this shift unavoidable. AI that replaces writers. Meet the modern AI writer. In 2026, AI tools can write blog posts, generate SEO articles, create ad copy, write scripts, respond to emails, even mimic brand tone perfectly. These tools don't get tired, they don't miss deadlines, and they don't charge per word. For businesses, the math is simple. One monthly AI subscription versus paying multiple freelance writers. This doesn't mean writing is dead. It means basic writing jobs are automated, while strategic storytelling and originality become more valuable than ever. Designers and editors under pressure. Next, designers. In the past, creating a logo or social media design required a brief, a designer, revisions, time. In 2026, you type a prompt. AI design tools now create logos, thumbnails, brand kits, posters, UI designs, social media creatives. And for video editors, AI can auto-edit videos, remove silences, add captions, choose music, resize content for all platforms. What once took hours now takes minutes. This doesn't eliminate designers and editors, but it eliminates repetitive, low-value tasks. Voiceovers, customer support, and virtual assistants. Now here's where things feel really scary. AI voices. By 2026, AI voice tools sound natural, emotional, human-like. They can narrate YouTube videos, audiobooks, customer service calls, and they speak multiple languages instantly. Customer support, AI chatbots now understand context, solve problems, learn from conversations, work 24/7. Virtual assistants, AI schedules meetings, manages emails, handles follow-ups. Without breaks or burnout, companies aren't being cruel. They're being efficient. The truth most people won't tell you. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing people. AI is replacing tasks. Freelancers who only offer simple writing, basic design, routine editing, repetitive admin work are the most at risk. But freelancers who think strategically, build personal brands, solve business problems, combine AI with human creativity, those people won't disappear. They'll dominate. How to survive and win in 2026. So what do? You don't fight AI. You learn it. You become a problem solver, not just a task doer. The future freelancer doesn't say, "I write articles." They say, "I help brands grow using AI-driven content." Because AI can create content, but humans create direction. The question isn't, will AI replace freelancers? The real question is, which freelancers will evolve and which won't? 2026 is here. If this video opened your eyes, like, subscribe and stay ahead of the curve. Because in the AI era, awareness is survival.